there's a crew that didn't stop working. Linemen who answer the call regardless of what's waiting for them. Doing whatever it takes to bring the lights back on. They don't do it for recognition. They do it because somewhere out there, a family is waiting. MacLean Power Systems has spent decades making sure those crews are never without what they need. Connectors, cross arms, whole hardware, made in America, built for the moments that matter most. When utilities call, MPS is ready. Storm products in stock. Fast lead times. Same-day responsiveness. Because when communities need power restored, waiting isn't an option. Every outage has a story. A neighborhood that went dark. A crew that showed up anyway. And the hardware that made sure the job got done. MacLean Power Systems, leading the way.